Here to talk to you about the Halo LED Air Purifier, and that's this glowing LED bulb right here. And normally what we do with this is we insert that into your existing duct system. We use it in conjunction with just a regular paper filter that you probably already have and the blower on your HVAC system. And what this thing does that's completely different than any other filtration system is we're not actually trapping particulate. Our paper filter is what's trapping. This thing is going and releasing ionized hydroperoxide throughout the entire house using the blower, and we're going and we're killing viruses, mold, bacteria, growth. We're attacking VOCs, dust, dander, allergens. We're attacking them and breaking them down at the source. And so in the case of things like dust, what we're actually doing is putting a charge on the dust, allows it to clump together into a size that it falls out of the airstream, and we can actually pick it up through a vacuum or our traditional paper filter, which normally wouldn't catch some of the smaller particulate. Now that stuff is in a size that we can actually manage and catch it in our filter and make sure that we're out of the airstream with that bad stuff. And so that's basically what this thing is doing. Now this thing is available in a couple different models. This is the LED version. There's a non-LED version. This, in our opinion, is the best. It's ozone-free, comes with a 4-year bulb warranty and a 7-year ballast warranty. And we can also get this in a slimline model that fits right on top of a ductless heat pump. So if you're interested, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.